everybody, yes, it's me again, that fella from Chesterfield. Yeah, and you know who I am, don't you? Yes, we're in the Twisted Spire garage, and this isn't a ride out today, it's just a chinwag in the garage, yeah. And the reason for it is I want to connect with people. Yeah, I've had some great feedback and comments, and it's difficult to get things over in text messages, and so I thought a little talk now and again would be a good idea. And yeah, I've not been able to get out much lately because of the weather. It is picking up a bit. I keep glancing over there because I've got notes. I'm at that time of life now where I forget things, and yeah, I've got one or two things I wanted to say, so I just made myself some notes. Right, the weather. Well, if you're watching my videos in the next 2-3 weeks, you might go, that doesn't look right, that we haven't had that weather. Well, the reason for it is continuity. Yes, I'm going away in a bit, and I don't like letting people down. I've been putting a video out each week, and I'm going away in a bit, so I've got myself in front a bit so that I've got, you know, some in the can, so that I've got some to come out. So you might look at the next few videos and be a bit baffled by the weather, but anyway, I hope you enjoy them despite that. Right, what's happening with the bike? Not a lot. I've not done anything really with the bike, but I do get asked questions about the bike, and the most common one is about the fly screen, and this comes up on social media and stuff, and people seem to miss the point of the fly screen. I'll just turn the camera around. Right, so yeah, I mean, it's just a little screen, and if you look at the profile from the front, you see the headlight and the little screen, and if you look from the cockpit, you've got all that speedo, the ignition switch, all this wiring, the phone mount, the wires wrapped round the handlebars. Well, if it wasn't for this, all this, especially in summer, would be absolutely splattered with dead wasps and flies and things. And that's the reason I have the fly screen. And no, it doesn't stop wind on your chest. It doesn't deflect the wind over the top of your head. I had a Himalayan and it had a screen up here. You still get wind, you still get buffeted, but the thing is, it protects all this stuff, and especially with this screen, it's what they call a TFT screen, and I imagine it's very sensitive inside there, so yeah, that's the reason for it. But apart from that, yeah, there's no updates on Guy. These were a good addition, the hand covers for the winter especially, but I think I'll leave them on. I think they quite suit the bike myself, each to their own. Some people will be saying they look terrible, but yeah, I like them. Right, let's turn the camera around again. Yeah, so I hope you're in focus there. Right, the camera. Just before Christmas I had a comment off a guy in Congleton, Neil Bedford. Hi Neil. Yeah, get a better camera. Well, I've gone and got one. and I'm learning with it at the moment. I went out the other day and like an idiot I long pressed. There's two buttons on it. There's an on and off, the power, and there's the shutter button on the top. But you can set it up so that if you just click the shutter button, it switches it on and starts recording. Brilliant. Now Kev long pressed it. I got back and all my footage was like Benny Hill super speed, but it's all like in split-second bursts, so I couldn't recover it to make a proper video out of it, so I wasted hours there. Yeah, but I'm learning and hopefully it will get better. Yeah, so stick with us, Neil. I'm trying, mate, I'm trying. Yeah, and subscribers. I've had people from the other side of the world. I know this never occurred to me. Welcome Richard Rosso from New Zealand and Alex Ryan in Australia. Yeah, down under, the other side of the world. It's amazing, isn't it? And yeah, I get a lot of information from YouTube. When you're a YouTuber, you get a weekly update and it tells you all sorts of information. And the other day I was quite surprised. 7% of my viewers come from where? Eh? America? No. France? No. Germany? No. India? Yeah. I don't know whether that's the Royal Enfield connection, but Namaste, India. Yes, welcome. Yeah, I'm pleased to well, I'd be pleased to hear comments from India. I've not had any comments from India, but I get views from India. So yeah, it'd be nice to have some Indian friends out there. And we like to keep it friendly on this channel. We're not going to be falling out, are we? No, no. So that's basically it. It's just a catch up. And I might do this again. Yeah, a sort of a roundup channel, roundup chat in the garage. How we're doing and everything, and thank people for the comments and such like. So if it proves to be popular, this, I'll keep doing it. So nice to talk to you, and goodbye for now. Bye bye now. Ta ta, ta ta.